What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got an unboxing for you. The Traxxas Mini XRT. Grabbed this because I wanted this. It's not too expensive, a little expensive for the size of it. But I wanted to see what this was about. I seen good things on this car and I had to get it. We're gonna check out the outside of the box, then we're gonna go inside the box. I like how I like how Traxxas do their box art. I love their box art. Their box art is awesome. So we're gonna let's check out what's inside, what they have, features they have in here. So we got the battery and the charger. We got the 3S Velineon system, the 3350 kV motor. Comes with oil-filled shocks. It has which I don't care for too much. It has a center differential. Well, I do care for the center differential. I love it that it has a nice center diff in there. But the problem comes, it's a plastic center diff. So you know how that works. They have the high torque Metal Gear servo in there. Clipless body features. You see right here, the layout is very, very clean and neat. I like how Traxxas. I love how most companies design the inside of their cars in the wiring state. This is awesome. I like this. This is a nice little car. Let's see on this side. This just getting to all the USB-C charger, let you know all the other features and all that good stuff. The color, which color they give you, all different. They got different colors: red, blue, green, orange. I picked the orange. But what I'm going to do next, take that thing out the box. So stay tuned. So you get the XRT manual, instruction manual, all that good stuff. Scan the QR code right there. You can get it, see all the information online. Also comes with this battery option chart right here. Tell you what kind of battery chargers you can get. And the Bluetooth link module, tell you that information. It also comes with the Traxxas warranty. I think that's what this is. The support guide. This is the warranty. This is where you can fill out for the warranty. Comes with this sticker sheet. You get some shock spacers. Also get the charger. Don't give you the part to charge it with, but at least you got the charger. Also included this battery, 3500 2-cell battery, 25C. Nice little small battery for it. Traxxas charger, which I'm gonna use this charger over here, not that charger they gave me. Also comes with the basic transmitter, Bluetooth enabled. And here comes the truck itself. I looked, but I didn't look. Not no good light, but this thing looks awesome right here. It does look nice. It feels stiff to me. Suspension. Oh wow, that stayed drooped in the front. Suspension, not bad, and decent work in the front. I see that already. It lays down, so them spacers definitely gonna come in handy. You got your wing, but with that, yeah, I'm gonna definitely throw this wing on there. If you want to see the part number is right there. I want to put that orange wing on there, bring it out some more. So from what I'm seeing so far, we on the outside. It feels pretty good. The tires are a little soft. They are belted, I believe. I think I feel something in here. Very soft. Then you got this beautiful body. I thought I had the new one where they didn't put this slit in the body. They actually got something to put on here. They actually made something you could put on there, but no, I'm not, no. But you got this nice hood scoop right here, strong, sturdy bumper. The body is nice. I don't like this cutout in the window, and I was hoping I had the newer one. They give you the, so that to take the bodies off, it's just like the other models. You go into here, pull the clip from over there, clip from here, and boom, take the body off. Now we can examine the body a little closer. See that hole right there? I don't like that, but this is a beautiful body. Here go all the bracings underneath. The clips for the body. You see that up close. That's how it clips on front and back. And they got that little brace for the roof skid in the middle. I like how they did these hard plastics up here. I really do like that. I'm gonna try to look to see if they got, I might just leave it like that, but I want a little bit more orange on there. Maybe make this orange, bright orange. Now we inside the car. We got the VXL-3s system in there. No fan on it. No fan on the ESC. No fan on the motor. You got a full-size servo in there, which is a good thing. All plastic inside. You got plastic shocks with spacers. It's not threaded, so you got to put spacers in there. A little loose right there in the front, so I made it solve that. Same thing with the back. Put spacers in there, all plastic drive shaft, front and rear. Then you got this wheelie bar in the back here. Is it spinning? I wanted to change that up too. Now underneath is the typical, yeah, everybody's seen this car before. I haven't seen it in person before. See the layout, Traxxas right there. The arms are pretty thin to me. But Traxxas really do make good plastic, so that may not be a problem. And suspension's not bad. Just need to stiffen up that front a little bit. I like for it to come back up, like, you know, sit back up like that. But I got another car. Y'all know what I got. But I got a car definitely want to do a comparison video with. Now, from what I'm saying, too much to talk about with this car because everybody did so many videos on this vehicle. It's just like a recap, but a Phillyswords recap. And put the body back on, just line it up. Snap, snap. You're back in business. Like they had one with the little orange parts right here. I don't know if I want to do that. I might add some stickers along there, you know, to bring that out. And it's a little stiff to me. It is very stiff. That's kind of stiff. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a running video on this car. I just wanted to put it out there for you guys because I tell you, this weather, I can't hardly do anything, man. I can deal with the cold, but it's snow everywhere I run at. It's snow. And then what they do in Philadelphia, what they do is they take the snow, you know, off the streets. They storing it other places, and they're storing it in parks. In parks. So I'm definitely gonna get this out, but give y'all the heads up. I ain't gonna keep no secrets from y'all. I'm gonna get the new Crichton. So you know that'll be a nice comparison video with this, because from what I'm seeing, this thing rocks. I'm gonna have dial it up a little bit, you know, to give you a little bit of stickers. Not too much to do anything with, but they give you a little bit of stickers. This must be a wing sticker or something like that. Yeah, it's a wing sticker. Put some numbers on there. Add my little things on there. I think gonna be beautiful. It's already beautiful. It's a beautiful truck. I definitely think the new Crichton is competition for this, and I can't wait to get my hands on that also. Yeah, they both rocking really around the same, but I heard this do like 60 plus miles an hour, and I think the Crichton do 50 plus. But we will see. We will see. I want the big XRT too. I want the big boy too. That's coming. That's gonna be another video coming, maybe in the spring. Hopefully, if things work the way they're supposed to, I'll bring that to y'all in the spring. This orange wing, see if it bring out the color of the body. So I'm gonna put that on real quick and be right back. Bang, there it is with the wing on there. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. That is stiff, yo. I'm gonna have to test this. That is very stiff. Like this tire, look. It almost dragged. Let me know in the comments below if you have a Mini XRT Do yours feel stiff like this? Because I'm not going to run it, so I'm not running it yet. So if in the comments below, let me know if your XRT feel this stiff. It's kind of concerning right there. I mean, it could be nothing, but that's kind of stiff. Let's see, can I color these tires in? Say I color these tires and had some orange on there. I was hoping they had orange lug nuts. That would have been tight. I don't know if I'm gonna mess with these tires, y'all, because this print is so small. I don't know. Yeah, this is not bad though. This is nice. This is nice. Got a lot of potential. They got some upgraded parts for it already. That's the disadvantage the Crichton is going to have. They don't have as many upgradable parts as this does so far from Traxxas itself. Traxxas does make a lot of upgraded orange parts. You see I got the orange wing. You can get the orange arms, the wheelie bar. You can get a couple things in orange. They got a light kit for this, so that's the thing about Traxxas. You have to give them props on that. When they come out with a car, they have parts available, customized parts available almost immediately after they release the vehicles. Yeah, this wing, I like how this wing looks. I'm gonna dial it up a little bit for the first run, let y'all check it out. But as y'all can see in the back here, what is this? Let y'all see how thick it look, stuff look in the back. It's not bad. You know, they typical plastic drive shaft, which aren't bad. I didn't even notice they have a vent in the window. They got a vent in the window for the air to get through so it won't overheat. I guess that makes up for a fan. I mean, I would just put a fan on it, but that's just me. I would just put a fan on. I may have a Traxxas fan I could throw in there. I don't know if it's going to be the same hookup, but I'm gonna try to put that on there because I want this to stay as cool as possible. But yeah, stay tuned for that running video. That's definitely coming soon. The weather is breaking this week, so I'm definitely gonna get this out. And I'm gonna get a couple other rigs out because I actually just purchased the ramp. It's on the way as we speak today. It's on its way to the house, and I can't wait for it. It's a little cheap ramp. Well, it's not cheap. It is not cheap. It's over $100 and something. That's not cheap to me. But I lost my other ramp. Actually, I forgot my other ramp somewhere, so I purchased another one. But yeah, this is definitely going to be the first person to hit the ramp. And then I got a few other cars I want to test the ramp out on. So stay tuned for that. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.